This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Good morning everyone, this is video number 7 from our Excel course. I hope you find it well. In this video I'm showing another Excel function called index. This function returns a value in a given range or a table based on a given location by number of rows and columns. Before moving on, let me explain it this way. Imagine you are visiting a friend, so you ask him for an address, and he says go to street X and building Y and apartment Z. The same idea for index function. You give Excel exact location for a certain cell, and Excel will give you back the value in it. Syntax as shown here. The first argument is the range, second argument is the row number, and the last argument is the column number, which is optional. For example, here you have a list in a sheet called main list for a certain items, and you want to make a copy from this list in another sheet. So the first argument will be the range, which is column PP in the sheet main list. Second argument is the row number, and we will use the outcome from row function to make Excel referring each row to its corresponding row in another sheet. Third argument will be the column number, and here it is 1. And here we go, list 1 is copied. To see it more closer, let's say here the row function will return the row number where the function exists, which is 10, and index function will go to another sheet, main sheet, to the row number 10 and returns the value in it, which is item 8. Let us see it in Excel sheet. Here we go. We have a list of items in the sheet main list, and we will make a copy of it in the index sheet. We'll write equal index. The first argument will be the range. I go to main list sheet and select column PP. Second argument will be the row number. Third argument will be 1, which is optional. Enter. Here we go. We have item 1. I copy paste, and the list here is copied. To test it, I go to row 10 here. Item 8, I change its value to be showy, and it should be changed right there, as you can see. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you on the next one.